Hi there, welcome back. Today we'll talk about comments. Some formulas in worksheet are relatively difficult to understand. So when entering formulas in Excel, you may want to remind yourself or someone else what is in for the future. Or you may want to add instruction to let users know of your spreadsheet. Know what to do in specific cells. In this lesson, I'll show you how to add a comment to a formula. An excellent way to give information about the formula is to add comment inside of them. To do that, I'll use the AND function. Excel users probably already know other way to add a cell comment through the insert a comment command. That creates a sticky note like comment that pops up when you mouse over the cell. The AND function is better if you don't want those comments and red triangle cluttering your spreadsheet and you are adding comment for your personal use. The AND function allows you to add comment directly inside your cells on your formulas. To use the AND function to add a comment, simply add a plus sign to the end of your formula and then enter some text and quotes inside the parentheses, passing that text to the AND function. So double click to edit the formula. Click to the formula's right and type the plus sign and then the letter N for the AND function. Now type left parenthesis, double quotes, type in the comment quotes again and close with the right parenthesis. Enter. As you can see, when I highlight the cell, the comment is displayed in the formula bar. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.